being a legitimate business is very important, and that's the way that you're going to get access to funding. Now,
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm only talking about making money online, generational wealth, business credit. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, look, just some quick tips, man, for you. Quick tips, right? Being a legitimate business is very important, and that's the way that you're going to get access to funding. Now, keep in mind, look, this I'm not giving you any financial advice or anything like that, all right? But this is just how I see it. For starters, let's say that let's flip it up because you're used to this. All right, when you're going out to get a funding with personal credit, a personal credit card, all right, if somebody goes to apply for your personal credit card with a different name, misspelled maybe, a different birthday, a different address, a different phone number, a different social security number, 9 times out of 10, if they have something a little off, all right, they're not gonna get applied if the information does not line up, or they would need some additional way to verify, right? So that's pretty much publicly known when you're dealing with the realm of personal credit. Now, however, when you're dealing with the realm of business credit, all right, when you're speaking to a lot of these creditors and these banks and these vendors, a lot of these places don't let you know the insight. And some of the people don't know the algorithm. And for those that do, they just want to know how serious you are about your business, because let's keep it G. Okay, it's a lot of so-called scammers and all type of stuff out here. Even myself, when I went to go apply at Advanced Auto Parts, I had somebody steal my business information and actually utilized my account without any of my acknowledgement or knowing. You feel what I'm saying? So it's very important to stay on top of this type of stuff, because this type of stuff can happen. So when you're looking for why you're not getting funded, that's one main reason. Your stuff ain't in order, okay? So how do you fix that? So first off, if you're a brand new business, it's easier because when you're starting building that foundation, all right, when you got your business name, phone number, all this type of stuff, when you're starting off with the Secretary of State, you make sure that name is going to stay the same across all platforms. When you're doing, when you're dealing with the IRS, make sure that name is the same on all platforms. When you're dealing with your website, when you're dealing with having a relationship with the bank, very important. When you're dealing with a relationship, having it with different businesses and different vendors, you want to make sure your name and all of your foundational information is the same across all platforms. Now, if you happen to change your address or change your phone number or change some type of information that's pertinent to the public, a notice for the business or whatever, you want to actually go back, and you're going to have to go back. If you got 50 accounts, you're going to have to go back and get with everybody and everything and give us some time to populate, to update that information. That's for Google, Bing, wherever you at. Okay. So that's one of the biggest things that I've seen. So if you've been in business for a while, and maybe we're a new business, maybe, who knows, maybe you had a business, then you had a DBA, you was doing something else, and then you switched to doing something else. You just forgot to, update a couple things online, or with a couple of people you have business relationships with. That's just something that has to be done. Now, as far as listing your businesses online, there are third-party companies that can assist you with, updating your Yahoo and your Facebook and your Google and your Bing. They can sweep all that stuff for you, but you're still gonna have to go and update everything. Not only with that, but with everybody that you have business with. So it's tedious, but it's not complicated. But it's just something that you want to make sure you stand on top of. All right. So with that being said, look, that's really all I have for you. Now, if you want more insight and clarity on how to get set up step by step and get access to me, I got a business credit course for below, right, for $99.97. So you can tap in with me there. All right. And how you get with me on there, man, is a Facebook group. And when you get into the Facebook group, just post on there or message me on Facebook, and then I prioritize, making sure I can get back with you on that. And then as far as maybe you just hey, I don't want to do that. Look, in my opinion, I would go check out nav.com, because if you have a business, you probably want to go check out to see if you have a credit profile. Now you can go to Dun& Bradstreet as well. iupdate.dnb.com if you have not look for your business or register your business with them, and that way it'll pull up to see if you have any business credit profiles that may match that name or that address or that location. And if you have more than one account, all right, then you will need to update the best information and merge the accounts. If you choose to do that, just so everything can be lined up. All right. So with that being said, y'all, look, once again, the business credit course for, more insight step by step and get access to me is below. And go check out nav.com to get free business credit monitoring. And, look, whatever y'all want me to speak on, drop a comment in the videos and let me know so I can do better about adding that type of stuff. So, but remember, it's very important that you have a legitimate business out here and that people or entities, the algorithms really pretty much, all right? Make sure that it's actually legitimate and it's actually everything is lining up correctly. Okay. So y'all make sure y'all pay attention to that and stay tuned. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the